future is bright. Future is bright. Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates. Ezimnyama ngenkani ezigamagebhula zagebhula umhlaba kamasipala zawubhekisa phansi naphezulu. Madoda. Wadu. Fix your ways, man. Fix your ways. We want the star next season.
We don't want anything. Wadu.
Mara bafethu, Pirates team enkulu. Ayikho team efana nePirates. I-Chiefs ayifani nePirates.
Never.
Chiefs will never be bigger than Pirates. Never. You can check all the games. Chiefs will never be bigger than Pirates.
Thank you.
Did you realize that you are a champion? Yeah. Orlando Pirates!
Yes!
Orlando Pirates! Orlando Pirates! Wadu! I'm sorry, Baba. I'm sorry. Wadu! I'm sorry, Baba. Wadu, my heart almost stopped last week.
Because of you, Wadu.
Because of you, Wadu. But Wadu, you have bring back the joy in Orlando Pirates fans.
Thank you, Wadu.
Wadu, you took a moving train and you made it a how train.
Thank you.
It was running throughout the season.
Yes.
Wadu, thank you.
Thank you, Wadu.
Dr. Khoza, thank you. Sister Andy, thank you. Mpumi Khoza, thank you. Everyone in Orlando Pirates, Mandla Ncikazi, thank you.
Technical team.
Ebafethu ngaphandle kwenu madoda kube sibulawa ama depression.
Ngabe sesibhedlela.
Ngiyaphinda futhi ngithi, did you realize that you are a champion? Orlando Pirates! Madoda nizongenza ngiphuza utshwala. Orlando Pirates! Ngumfundisi. Orlando Pirates! Madoda, Wadu, thank you, my brother. It has been 14 years of pain. The chickens were busy, the roosters were busy, but Wadu, we change everything. Sundowns, go take the star tomorrow, 2-1, I'm giving you. After tomorrow, you will go down. Each and every season, you will never finish in the top 4 ever again. Mukwena is old. Zwane, sit at home. Don't take children's space to the World Cup. Don't go to the World Cup. You are selfish. Zwane, you are selfish. We are telling you.
Just say no.
You are selfish. You and my boy. Peterson, I can give you, but no. China is the greatest. China.
21 clean sheets.
21 clean sheets.
In a season.
In one season. Even Tumelang Kune never did that. Really? Best player in South Africa currently. Best player in currently. Our police.
I want to make you realize something.
Yeah.
Are you aware today it was the release last game for Pirates?
I know. Big teams are looking for you, my boy. You are the best. No one is like you in South Africa. They can come and make noise. Abo Tekomdise, abo Charlie. They can come and make noise, but they will never be like you, my boy. You are the star boy of South African football. You are going far, my boy. You are going China. Record breaker, China. Diketana bafana. Sisi, sorry baba. Podlela. City Podlela liyavuza the season. Kodwa hayi. No. Thank you, Orlando Pirates fans. The best fans in Africa. In Africa, we don't fight. We just come and win games.
Simple.
Dr. Ivan Khoza, game after game. Orlando Pirates is the best team in Africa. Not only in South Africa. Kaizer Chiefs will never fill up stadiums like Orlando Pirates
do. Yeah.
They will never. We will compete against Kaizer Chiefs next season, but you will never be like Orlando Pirates. Mapagania, thank you, man. Isizini bemnandi silahlekelwe thina salahlekelwa abomama nani but Mapagania ngaphandle kwenu kube silale ibhedlela sibulawa ama depression. Siyabonga Mapagania kakhulu asiqhubekeni Mapagania supporteni Pirates.
Yobonana next season.
Sobonana next season ekuzoba buhlungu madoda mara sobonana next season. Bopha Mapagania bopha.